gives you a bit of an insight into what we're going to be covering when we move into Year 10 IT. So what we've got here at the top, we've got Microsoft Word, which we're all familiar with, but we're not familiar with all the functions involved and connected to Word. So if we have a look at this, it explains what's inside the Home tab. So we've got a lot of key features, and underneath that, we've got the Insert tab, and then we've got the Page Layout tab. What I'd like you to do is have a look at this. I'd like you, in your own words, to explain what the Home tab does and why it's used. I'd also like you to explain why the Insert tab is used and what's involved. So a little bit of a summary of the Home tab, the Insert tab. Okay. Then what I'd like you to do is look at some of the words on the right hand side, and I'd like you to just explain 5 key things which you can do in Word. For example, I'd want to explain that I could use it to create a letter, and that would work well because it would allow me to change the size of the font, underline items. It also allow me to insert pictures. Okay, so I'd like you to explain what we use for and why it's good for creating documents. Then on the bottom half, there's something that's totally new to us, which is Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so that's what's used for sending emails, receiving emails, and this gives you some of the key features of emails. What I'd like you to do is just summarize how emails are used. So how emails are used in businesses, why are they good, and what are the advantages and disadvantages compared to conventional post. Okay, so think about what would happen if you sent a letter in the post. How long would it take? How much would it cost? Think about what you can include on an email that you can't include on a written letter in the post. So for example, with an email, you could attach a voice recording, or you could attach a video, or you could attach multiple different pictures. Some of those would be very easy to do if you're to use a standard post to communicate. So what I'd like you to do is have a look at those questions, have a think about that. On the bottom of the page, there's a nice useful link. On the right hand side, we've also got some keywords and a bit of a glossary to look at. Okay, thanks very much.